In this quick video, I'll show you how to find Gmail account by phone number. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to know how many Gmail account on my phone number, firstly we need to open any browser in our mobile or computer. I'll open Chrome for the sake of this video, and then search on your browser find Gmail account. Once you search here, go to the first website which says find your email. Once you're on this website, enter your phone number. Let me enter my phone number here. Once you type your phone number, click on next, and after that enter your first name and last name. I'll simply type my first name here, which is this. Now type your last name and click on next. After that, to get a verification code on our phone number, we need to click on send, which is in bottom. After that, it will send a verification code on your phone number. As you can see, I have received my verification code. Copy the code and click on next, and then you will be able to see all the Google accounts or Gmail accounts which are connected to your phone number. You can access all of them from here. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.